Hey, my name is Gerard. This is going to be a new channel for me. I was able to acquire the name Make Money, one of my favorite topics. I know how to make money. I've made a decent amount of money over time. And so I know how to manage money. I know how to budget it. I know how to invest it. And I know how to save it. And so these are things that most people don't know how to do. And the reason why I say that is because the statistics speak for themselves. 78% of Americans, they're living paycheck to paycheck. So most of the people out there in YouTube land and TV land, most of the people you see walking around in the world really don't know how to manage, budget, invest, and save their money. So my channel is going to be talking about how to make money mostly, and I'll be talking about other things about how to manage it also. Because what's the point in learning how to make the money and you don't know how to budget it? You're going to end up losing it. What's the point in making money if you don't know how to manage it? You're going to lose it. You're going to be all over the place. What's the point in making money if you don't know how to invest it properly? You're still going to lose it. And what's the point in making money if you don't know how to save it? Because you're going to lose it. And we all have known stories. We've seen people, celebrities like Mike Tyson, made a $500 million in his career and ended up, claiming bankruptcy, ended up being broke because he didn't know how to properly manage his money, and he trusted his money into the wrong hands in some cases. But a lot of the money he made, also he would do things. He would buy a lot of things. I don't know, like cars, rare animals, fancy. I think one of them was like a rare tiger and just all kinds of stuff that he didn't need. Is the bottom line. And I venture a lot of you all are in that boat too. And my goal here is to help you make money, but also more importantly, the behavior behind it and help you manage it and invest it and budget it and save it. Because so those are very important factors to help you to control your money. Also, so right now, let's just build a quick foundation. Um, Many of you might just want to, instead of you trying to make $500 a day or $1,000 a day, how about start with making $100 a day? Now I'm going to show you how to make $100 a day, and this is you don't have need any experience with this, and we're not going to overcomplicate this on this channel. I'm not going to do any editing, as in with life. You don't edit. You just pretty much just you execute and you course correct along the way. Um, a little bit about me. Have a military background. I've been in different fields of security, law enforcement, and worked in different capacities with um, people in government, and went to school to get some education on uh, finances. So I am qualified to teach you how to do certain things because I've done them myself. But we'll talk about that further on into the channel. But I believe that I have enough behind my belt that I could that I'm actually walking in that I can share with you. That's the problem right now. A lot of times with people who you see on YouTube, they talking about things that they are not doing. They're just talking basically on things that they have read and haven't done. So, but we're not going to go there here. We're not going to go there on this channel. So if you need to make $100 today, all you have to do is start looking around. Number one, write these down. Start looking around your house and find something to sell. I know that might sound so simple, but it's the simple things in life that you don't do that trip you up sometime. Now, everybody has old clothes. You might have old TV you don't need, weights, You might have old furniture sitting around. It could be something as simple as old wallet. You might have a purse or a wallet, or there's just so many different things that you have just sitting around. Paintings, anything that you're not using that you just have stored away somewhere can be sold. Put it on Facebook Marketplace, put it on Craigslist, put it on OfferUp. Look at what other people are selling it for. Reduce that amount that you're selling it for by, I don't know, at least 30%, and sell it is the bottom line. People are out there looking for stuff all the time. There's people online right this very moment just looking to buy stuff because some people are just bored, and some people buy out of boredom. But we're going to stop that. If you're one of those type of people, you're trying to make money right now. And that's how I was able to save a lot of money and put myself through school, simply by just buying things and reselling them on Craigslist. And you'd be surprised what people are willing to buy. You would think that, okay, nobody wouldn't want to buy, I don't know, let's just say, I'm just using this as an example, this timer right here. I guarantee you somebody somewhere would want to buy this timer. And it could be as simple as, I don't know, $5-10, but just look it up and see what it's worth. And some money is better than no money. But if it's just sitting around on your desk and it's not doing anything, yes, sell it. And now, of course, I use this timer. I haven't used it since last year, but I do use that timer to keep me on track with things, especially when I'm studying. But that's just an example. If you have I don't know, let me see. If you have a tripod like this that you're not using, sell it. If you have AirPods that you're not using, sell them. Whatever you're not using, the bottom line is sell them, because we're talking about making money. And this is how you're going to start making money, by selling all the things that you are not using. I don't care if it's an extra car. I don't care if it's jewelry. Even if it's costume jewelry. It doesn't even have to be real gold and silver. Whatever it is, just post it online. You'd be surprised. Like I said, people are into buying a little bit of everything. And I've made literally tens of thousands of dollars just by selling things on Facebook Marketplace and on Craigslist. It's all in how you advertise it, and also how patient you are with people, and how respectful you are with people. You're selling an item, but you're also selling yourself, because people are buying you. And I'm gonna give you a perfect example of this also, real quick. You'd be surprised. Recently, I had a situation where I was selling something, and the person did not buy it. They were looking for something, and they didn't purchase it from that person, but they reached out to me because I was selling something, and they purchased it from me, all because of how I sounded. How I sounded on the telephone. I was very respectful. I was very nice, and I was very humble. People are attracted to people who are positive, people who are respectful. So one of my sayings is, one of my quotes is, it takes too much work to be a jerk. Don't do that. If you're trying to sell something, be patient with people, answer their questions, and get your money. Because that's the main goal on this channel. You're here to make money, and I'm going to show you how to make money. So don't overcomplicate this now. Please don't overcomplicate this. Go online and see. And that's the thing too that I want to mention real quick. A lot of times people, they listen to videos like this, they get motivated and do nothing. Don't do that. If you see something, execute. You'll be surprised at how a little bit of action could amount to huge results. So follow me along this journey. I'm going to show you how to make money and talk about different things in different capacities. And we will kind of just, proceed from there. So if you like what I'm talking about, like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.